In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify footer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you can change, and how to make your store's footer look clean and useful for your customers. Start by opening the Shopify website and heading into your store's dashboard. From there, look for the section labeled Online Store. This is your home base for anything related to how your storefront looks and feels. Go ahead and click Online Store to open the design controls for your site. Next, locate the area for your footer. This is the section that appears at the very bottom of every page, and it's a great place to put helpful links and information your customers expect to find. Click Footer to open the editing panel. You'll see the options available for your current theme, and you can change content directly from here. Inside the footer editor, feel free to make adjustments. You can add a new section to your footer if you want to include more information. Common choices include a menu with quick links, a short text block with your business message, social media icons, a newsletter sign-up, or store policies. Think about what your customers need most at the bottom of the page. Things like contact, FAQs, shipping, returns, and privacy are often useful. If your theme supports it, you may also see options for payment icons or language and currency selectors. You can also add text to provide clarity and reassurance. Keep it brief and straightforward, 1 or 2 lines that explain your brand promise, customer support hours, or a simple tagline can go a long way. Aim for plain language that reads well on both desktop and mobile. If your footer already feels crowded, you can remove a section to simplify the layout. A cleaner footer helps visitors find what they need faster and keeps your pages looking professional. Before removing anything, consider whether that information is duplicated elsewhere or if it's still relevant to your customers. As you make changes, review how the layout looks so everything stays balanced and readable. Check that link labels are clear, avoid very long lists, and keep text sizes consistent with the rest of your theme. Consistency builds trust and makes navigation easier. Once you're happy with the updates, click Save. This publishes your changes and applies them across your store. That's it. You've opened Shopify, clicked Online Store, selected your footer, edited the content by adding or removing sections and text, and saved your work. With a tidy, informative footer, your store will feel more polished and easier for customers to navigate.